Hello friends, today I'm going to introduce you to BMC Auto CPAP. This is the Auto CPAP from BMC, the G2 version. This is the main unit. Along with the machine, you get the standard tubing, the cable, the adapter, data card, closing clip. These are the items which you get along with the device. Now let's show you how to switch on the device. You need to connect the adapter to this. Then this portion need to connect to the back. Once you switch on the machine, this is what you see on your screen. This is the dial, the alarm button, the ramp up button. So you have totally 3 buttons. The first thing which you need to do is press the dial button and the ramp down button. Keep it pressed for a few seconds. This is the next mode which comes up. The home screen, the settings, the notepad and the spanner icons. So if you just rotate it, you can go from one menu to the another menu. So first thing, let's go up to the settings menu. Press the settings. You can change the mode from auto to CPAP. CPAP is a manual mode. Let's now select the auto mode. Again press it, it turns blue. So how do you change it? I'll just repeat once again. One press, you get the orange color with the pink lettering. Turn the dial, you can change the mode. Once you're at the right mode, press, it turns blue and the black lettering. The next is the minimum pressure. Minimum pressure, press once. You can change it, you can increase the minimum pressure or decrease the minimum pressure. The standard setting is you keep the pressure at 4, press, select. Maximum ramp, you can select the ramp from 0, you can take it up to 60 minutes. So this again, the standard function is you can keep it to 30 minutes. The ramp P is a ramp up pressure, keep it at 4. Maximum APAP is the maximum pressure at which the machine would deliver the one press. You can decrease it or increase it. It goes up to 20. 20 is the highest. For this, for 75 to 80% of the patients, we can maintain the pressure at 15. Sensitivity, the standard setting is 3. You can take it up to 5. The next function is auto on and auto off. The auto on function is for the machine to switch on automatically when you breathe in through the device 2 times. The auto off function is for the machine to switch off when the mask is kept aside. So you have the choice to keep it at on or off as far as the auto on is concerned. Same thing applies to auto on and off, the off function. Leak alert needs to be kept at off. The on function is for hospital setups only. The last of the function is Reslex. We have off, 1, 2, 3 and the patient mode. Here we have to maintain at 2. Reslex is a function when you exhale out, the pressure drops. And for this, we keep it at 2. We come back to the home screen, press once and you're again back to the home screen.